Hi friends, this is CalibroMeasure MRT, flexible and reliable for inspection of the rolling parameter, that is TC. This is sturdy fixture that we have developed for customer. Now I will show you the how inspection is done on manual roll tester. Its specification has a gear OD of 50 to 50 gear OD. It is designed specifically for shaft type component as well as cylindrical gear type component. Now I will show you the cycle of how inspection to be done and inspection of TCA parameter will happen. Let's go. I will show you the inspection of TCA parameter, how rolling is done. So one more addition is there. This parameter, fixture is designed for shaft type component of total length 350 So I will show you the one cycle. Here we have disengaged the gear. This is the master and this is the component. Now we have engaged this gear. Dial is set at 0. Now we have to rotate the component. And this is how TC is inspected. This is the sturdy fixture where we can inspect cylindrical gear as well as shaft type component. Now I will show you the setting of variant, how variants when gear OD changes setting need to be done. This is the knob. I have to lose this knob simply and just roll this knob. It will get slide and accordingly operator can change the variant according to this gear OD. Similarly, I have to engage this when variant gets changes according to gear OD. I have to just engage this master and I have to fit this knob. This is as simple as this. Secondly, according to when we need to inspect the shaft type component, we have to just loosen this knob and this knob, and we have to just slide the this mechanism according to shaft length. And similarly, this shaft type component also get inspected. Now friends, another thing is we have given this rack and pinion mechanism for shaft type component. Here we have to just loosen this lever and have to rotate this lever clockwise and anti-clockwise according to length of shaft. Parallelly, this mechanism, when we rotate this lever, this mechanism get up and down according to clockwise and anti-clockwise motion, and we can add this shaft type component in this between center mechanism. This is specially designed rack and pinion mechanism for operator use.